Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to enable playing media notifications on Chrome. If you've ever been streaming music, listening to a podcast, or watching a video and wished you could control it more easily from your notification bar, this quick update will show you exactly how to make it happen. Let's dive right into the steps. First, unlock your phone and head into your settings. This is where we'll make all the changes needed so that Chrome can show you playing media notifications. Next, scroll until you find Apps and tap on it. This section lists every app installed on your device, and from here, you'll be able to manage app behaviors, including notifications. Now, search for Chrome in the list and select it. Once you're inside the Chrome app settings, you'll see a variety of options that let you fine-tune the way Chrome works on your phone. From here, go ahead and tap on Notifications. This is where you control what types of notifications Chrome is allowed to send. Within the Notifications menu, select Notification Categories. Think of this as different groups of notifications that Chrome can display, each with its own toggle switch. Look for the option labeled Playing Media. This is the specific category that will enable media notifications whenever you're playing something through Chrome. All you need to do is toggle it on. Once that's switched, you're all set. From now on, whenever you stream music or videos in Chrome, you'll be able to see a compact notification right on your screen. This makes it super convenient to pause, skip, or control media without having to reopen the app. And that's it. Just a few simple steps, and you've updated your settings to let Chrome show media notifications. It's a small adjustment, but it really improves the way you interact with your device while enjoying your favorite content. If this guide helped you, be sure to share it with someone who might also find it useful. Thanks for watching.